what happened. I almost got it. I really did. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and this kind of a multifaceted video. What I mean by that is there is different locations. You can't really see it. I'm in some park in Old Orchard Beach. I am metal detecting, but I'm also testing out gear. One of the locations is in Saco, or Old Orchard Beach. It's on a beach, and I test out my Evo wetsuit. And that's a cold story right there. Almost cried. I almost cried. I really did. And but it works. It works. I'll let you know. I'll just let you know that. And I'm also testing out my new headset from the Gray Ghost headset. Has an on and off switch and volume. I enjoyed using it. This is my Garrett AT Pro All-Terrain. And it came with an adapter, which is awesome. You don't have to buy the adapter. I didn't have to buy another adapter. I have two now. But I wrapped around, probably not the correct way, and zip tied it to. Also in this video, I went to Brunswick for a course for a drone course, which is at the old Brunswick Naval Air Station that was shut down. But there's a bunch of different businesses that have taken up or bought, leased the old buildings. UMA, University of Maine at Augusta, which is the college I attend, has their drone program is based out of this location. And I had a little wait to until I could go see my instructor and take a course, do a course, whatever, build a drone. So went metal detecting and exploring, and there's some of that in this video. Also the big thing though, the thing that pulls right at the heartstrings is I found not the owner of the dog tag. I never would have thought of finding a World War era dog tag on this campus. I didn't find the service member, but I found the service member's family. And I went and got to meet them. I found the gravestone. I found his gravestone and his family's grave plot. And in a small town in Maine, random town that you wouldn't even, you could drive through it and wouldn't know that you went through it. Just an amazing story. And I mean, it's something I enjoyed doing. I haven't been able to make a video for a while because I've been busy with schoolwork and college and work in general. So these are my videos, and try out some new gear. So enjoy. Mainly Dig out. So this video, we're all over today, or I'm all over. It's probably going to span a couple videos, a couple places in Maine, but I'm in Brunswick Airfield, Executive Airport. Used to be the air base on a baseball field. Found a quarter, and yeah, I have to take a final that is for drones. It's over there. So I found this paste tube of paste. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll clean it now. I won't spend that time. Newer paste anyway, but it's cool. So we moved. I was over there. Now I'm near this big airplane, and I found a piece of metal. Woo! Look what I found. Getting closer to the plane. Quarter. That's pretty cool. Awesome penny from 1988. I enjoy that. It's pretty cool. So in this part of the video, I am testing the Evo Elite wetsuit. It is, when I bought it on eBay. It was $15, and no, it was $9, and then the shipping was $15. So it works. I'm in Maine, the Digger, I'm at Old Orchard Beach, on the other side of the pier, and this is the landing, the northern Atlantic. So my intent was to go metal detecting with the Blue 3 Nemo, my Blue 3 Nemo. I love it, and my handheld, and that didn't happen. See, what happened is I got suited up, all ready to go. I went out there with the Nemo in hand, mask on the face, and my new mask. I still want to try it. And the Nemo tipped, like the tide is so, the waves, there we go. The waves are so bad, big, bad, whatever you want to call it. It tipped, it flipped right over. I almost cried. I really did. So, hopefully I'll have better luck metal detecting on land. I haven't yet here at Old Orchard. The suit works. My head is cold. My hands are cold. And my toes are cold. But my body, 100% warm. Semi-warm. You can definitely tell, like when the waves hit you. And you feel it through the shoe, but it goes away. It goes away. Not so much on bare skin. No, not at all. Mainly the gown. I never would have thought of finding a World War era dog tag on this campus. That's cool. It's just a cool feeling. I know I'd find the headstone, but like it's a good feeling. Well taken care of plot.